In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a video and put it down in CapCut PC. If you need to repeat a video clip, duplicate part of your footage onto an upper overlay track, or place the same clip farther down on your timeline. CapCut PC gives you a couple of really simple ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the two easiest methods so you can choose the one that works best for your edit. The first method is the standard copy and paste option. Start by clicking the video clip on your timeline so it's selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to duplicate. Once the clip is selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also right-click the clip and choose Copy from the menu. After that, move your vertical playhead line to the point on the timeline where you want the copied video to begin. Think of the playhead as the marker that tells CapCut exactly where to place the duplicate. Once it's in the right spot, press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. CapCut will paste the copied clip directly at that location. This method is especially useful when you want to place the same video later in your project or at a very specific timing point. The second method is even quicker when you want the duplicate placed immediately after the original clip. Just select the video clip on your timeline, then press Ctrl and D on your keyboard. CapCut will instantly duplicate that clip and place the copy directly next to the original one. You don't need to move the playhead or manually paste anything, which makes this a great shortcut for extending repeated footage or creating back-to-back duplicates fast. If you want the copied video to appear as an overlay instead of sitting end-to-end on the main timeline, there's one more thing to do. Click and drag the copied clip upward onto track 2, directly above your main video. This places the duplicate on a separate layer, so both videos can exist at the same time on screen. From there, you can resize and reposition them however you like, which is perfect for picture-in-picture effects, side-by-side layouts, or layered edits. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to copy a video and put it down in CapCut PC. Once you get used to these shortcuts, editing becomes much faster and a lot more efficient.